So, Souvik, tell me something about your achievements, like what you have achieved so far by taking DBA course. It might be a money-wise, it might be education-wise, it might be changing your way of thinking perspective. So, whatever it might be, like what is your achievements?
First of all, technically, I have achieved close to 70, I think, 70,000.
70,000. Perfect.
Yes, it is, I think, 67, I think,
67 to
accurately,
70 closely.
67 or 70 closely. And I have already worked on 5 projects.
Perfect. On digital
Uh,
marketing or developing the website?
Developing website overall, I
Overall,
mean
perfect.
overall, because I have segregated my services in 4 parts. One is development of website or
Mhm.
designing website.
Yeah.
Second is advertisement part,
Okay.
Google ad, Facebook ad, so we need to customize it
Hmm.
according to
According to the
that
client.
client.
Hmm.
Third one is social media management or marketing or optimizing this part. And
Mm-hmm.
the fourth one is digital marketing consultancy. Because
Oh, okay.
first of all, I did not added it in my list. I
Mm-hmm.
was going with 3 part. But
Mm-hmm.
once I had a not a friend, but I do not have a friend, any
Mm-hmm.
friend. So one of my close contact, when I called him to let him know that I'm doing this type of thing, he say said that why don't you send me some tips, how can how can I progress.
Mm-hmm.
That time I thought that it is also my knowledge,
Okay.
so why I'm spending it on WhatsApp messages
Mm-hmm.
free.
Mm-hmm.
So I can include that part, digital
Mm-hmm.
marketing consultancy, so
Okay.
that even when we see some coaches online who are developing some environment, or who are giving some consultancy to how you can be a digital marketing coach or
Okay.
digital coach, whatever your profession is, then I thought, okay, if it can be sold, then why don't I include it on my service list.
Yes.
So right now I have 4 services: online, sorry, advertisement part, website
Oh.
part, social media part, and the consultancy part.
And one more thing, Savik. Do you know digital marketing before joining DBA?
So actually, uh, I could not say that I know everything about digital marketing, but yes, I have some little bit of idea, because in back 2020, 2011,
Mhm.
I had joined that NIT cloud computing course.
Oh.
So from that time, that was a cloud computing training also.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I had a netbook,
Mm-hmm.
I had MTS data card then, and my internet journey was started in 2008, I think.
Okay, that's great.
Then there was a GPRS service.
GP.
GPRS, then 2G, then 3G, then 4G, then
4G
data card.
data card.
Then now I'm using
Now we
broadband.
are just monthly 1 GB.
Yes, monthly. Seriously, sir, that was the monthly 1 GB, and cost was, I think, 349 package.
49 rupees. Yes, true.
So
Souvik, can you tell me something about DBA live classes? Because I keep on asking to every DBA success student, like how important DBA live classes are. Because it will give me a more boost to conduct more and more live classes. Because from past 6 months I'm conducting, you know that. So tell me something about a one line or two lines about DBA live classes.
DBA live classes is what that makes you on the track. If I summarize it in a sentence.
Perfect, perfect, awesome. So, Souvik, can you tell me, because your words are very inspiring? Can you tell me something about newbies, like who just joined DBA course? What is the advice you're giving to them to make them successful or to want them successful? So, whatever it might be, can you tell me any two or three advices for the newbies from your words?
Sir, I would like to segregate it in 2 parts.
Okay,
First of all, steps, and then the goal.
done.
So steps are very harsh.
Hmm.
You need to take steps and follow the goal.
Mm.
When I started to learn cycling,
Mhm.
and every now and then I was looking at my feet, uh, at um, the
Road.
rolling of the cycle. It is moving how and where. But when some learned person
Mhm.
told me that okay, you need to stick to that. Uh, I mean,
Got it.
ahead of that environment, you need
Mm.
to focus on that road,
Goal.
not on the cycle,
Not on the cycling or pedaling. You have to
paddling.
focus. Ah.
So that time I okay. After that, the progress start to happen.
Mhm. Mhm.
So in DBA also, the
Mm.
first steps are very harsh.
Mm.
I could not. What happened to me? I think the
No,
general
the
thing.
same
What happened? Most of the
situation.
people
Yeah,
face
yeah,
the same thing.
yeah,
That
yeah.
is, how can
Huh.
I
How can I
design the website?
design the website? Oh,
It
it's
is very
hard.
because when I install the Generate Press, it is just hello.
Hmm.
So at least there should be hello Viru. Why only hello? So
Like
then I was
opposite. The blog post will be like hello world or just hello.
hello.
Huh.
So I thought, okay, I have seen websites like this or that.
Hmm.
So SARS website is very well organized.
Mhm.
So fast at the first time, the website I have seen that satisfied myself, and I got some inspiration that okay, if he can do, I can do. That is demodi.com.
Devansh
Devansh
Modi.
website. Yes.
Devansh Modi. Yes, yes.
And after that, I got to contact with Anil Patel.
Anil Patel.
So these two people helped me a lot from
Hmm.
the beginning. Actually, they not only helped me then, they're
Hmm.
helping today
Today also.
also.
Because see, that is the reason we build a family rather than a community. It's not like just learning and going. It's like communicating with each other and spending time with each other. That's how we are building the community.
Yes, and then Ravi Teja, then Adi Thube,
Vamsi Krishna.
um, Vamshi Krishna,
Ah.
and
Yeah.
actually, sir, Vamshi is very emotional one. I mean, he's so. I mean, whenever he talk to me, we talk with another subject. I mean, not only digital marketing.
See,
And
actually, I'm
he's
actually
a
about
nice
to take
person.
Vamsi Krishna also for one-to-one, but he's outside somewhere. Okay. So maybe we are planning one-to-one with Vamsi Krishna as well. Soon he'll also come to this.
Actually, sir, I could not tell you those much name, but Khushbu Dina is there, and
Kushbu Dina is
um,
there.
Sojanna is there.
Sudeshna there.
Also, Rajat was there. Rajat and Harsh
Jayashree
Maheshwari.
also there.
But I don't know where the. I mean, I contact Rajat a couple of times
Hmm.
after
There is
her
Samir.
father. Hmm?
Samir.
Yes, Samir is also there.
Hmm.
Actually, sir, the thing is, we don't share the same type of mentality. I mean, I
Okay.
don't have any problem with
Yeah.
anyone. Actually, the type of people I am and the type of people he is, we
Mhm.
respect each other. That's not a bad one. We share a very good relation.
Mhm.
But the thing is, for everyone, you could not even I am talking right now.
Mhm.
Whatever I am talking to you, it
Mhm.
is not even I'm not telling you that it is a digital marketing interview.
Fine. Fine.
and
Got it. The logic
and
behind.
I have respect for everyone.
Yeah, yeah.
If
Similarly.
anyone anyhow contact me, I tried and I am trying to
Help.
respond that way.
Right.
Maybe I am not that much active on that group
Hmm.
that much,
Hmm.
but the call I receive every day or every alternate day, that is the same type. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah.
the amount of call is same.
Got it. So, Souvik, thank you. We'll meet in the next session now. So, thanks for your
Hmm.
valuable comments and valuable suggestions to our new users. And thanks for your time. So maybe we'll meet in the Saturday live class.
No, sir, you made the time valuable, so it's up to you.
Thank you, Sovik.